Hey guys, we are doing our hair. I just got a quick weave in and it's the next day and I'm actually about to style my hair, so I just wore braided up. This is actually deep wave hair that has been blown out. So of course, y'all know I love to wear my curly hair, deep wave hair straightened because I just feel like the texture matches my hair the best. As you can see, is this my hair or not? It is not. The hair is from Klaiyi hair. So here's the packaging and all of its content. You get a good amount of things. I know the comb and brushes are extra, but here is the hair. I have the Indian deep wave in 4 bundles. Two 22s and a 24. This is actually what the hair looks like in its natural state. So as you can see, it's big and curly and I got it blown straight. So back to styling it blown out. I'll show you guys the hair in its natural state towards the end of the video, but here I'm just straightening my edges because I am about to curl the hair and look how black my hair is. I dyed my leave out and I dyed the bundles black, so the hair is like super jet black. I'll list the hair dyes that I used in the description box for you guys if you're interested. But do you see this blend? I love this hair and I've used this hair from this company a bunch of times. You can search my channel and see that I've been using their bundles. I absolutely love their bundle hair. I think the curly textures and the deep wave textures blend the best with my hair because my hair is textured for sure. So here I'm just going in and cutting some layers in the front. Don't be scared to cut your hair. I am not a professional cutter, so I just do a little bit. And then I get right into the curling of the hair. The hair is just blown out. It's not pre-straightened. I've tried like to straighten hair before and then curl it, and I just don't like how flat it gets. I like the texture of blown out hair and then curling it, which is why I always go for textures that are textured, like kinky straight, a deep wave, a curly, and then I just straighten it out. But anyways, the curls are gorgeous. The hair is gorgeous. Next, I'm about to flat iron my leave out. Now, that's what's got to be straight, okay? I'm going to silk out my leave out because, But also, do you see the sheen on my hair? I didn't put anything on it but some heat protectant, but look at that. I'm just blown away. just when I tell you I am so satisfied, I am so satisfied. I do want to go back in and cut a little bit more because when you have layers and these kind of like big bodied curls, it just looks so good. But I love the curls.
Trying to get me off my Q's and P's. What? Why can't losers never lose a piece? What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG.
So yeah, this is what we look like from the back. Super cute. My longest bundle is 24 inches. And yeah, now we're on to the next style, babes. So I've been wearing the hair back in its natural state. It's messy right now. I just woke up. I'm actually about to wash the hair. So I've been like pulling my hair back in like this little half up, half down situation. Only because I have enough hair out on my edges and my leave out to just pull the hair back. Now I'm about to detangle the hair before I wash it because I've also been sleeping without a scarf. So yeah, and there's also like some leave-in conditioner spray in this hair, but the hair is gorgeous both ways. I also did dye my bundles jet black as well as my leave out, so that's why the hair is so dark. I love that. Also, I have in 3 bundles. I have in a 22 and 2 24s. So this is only 3 bundles of hair. I have 4 bundles in total, but I only use 3. And this is the perfect amount of hair. So I'll be back after my hair is washed. So I'm just gonna let this air dry. I washed my leave out. I'll probably blow dry that because I'll probably do like some wand curls at the top so my hair will blend in with the curly hair. But other than that, I'm just gonna let this air dry and I'll be back when it's dry. It's been like 2 hours. This is what the hair is looking like. It's back to its regular curls. I think I'm gonna wand curl this. Yes, I'm just gonna do, I don't know yet. I don't really want to wand my whole head, but I think I'm gonna have to. Yeah. So, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. So I'm going in with this skinny wand. I don't even know the size of it, but the wand is super duper old. So yeah, we're just going to wrap this. I wish I had a glove, but okay, so we're just gonna wrap that like this. I honestly hate wanding my hair sometimes because it's so hard and I don't want like my hand to touch the barrel, and like the end gets a little wonky, but that's fine. So that's one curl, and I'm not taking like small sections because I don't want to be here doing this forever. So we're going big. And I just pull it so it's not like, you know. So these are what the wand curls look like. I'm gonna add a little hairspray to kind of hold it. The wand curls are all done. So this is what it looks like from the back. Let's just clip this. Like, curly hair is so versatile, which is why it's my fave. I'm going to curl my edges. I really should stop curling my edges. It's not good for your hair, but I just can't help it. It just makes the style so much cuter. So I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna do my sideburn while we're over here. My edge control. Spray hairspray. And that just like secures it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of the information that you need down below, as well as a link directly to the hair that I'm wearing from Klaiyi. So cute. This is it. We'll see how long these long curls last. Okay? But yeah, bye.